Guys, Tisa here, back again with another video. If you would like to see how I achieve this very easy braid, I want to say knotless because that's how it feels. If you want to see how I did this style, bon watching. I'm not going to show you the entire process because I was sweating like crazy and I just wanted to get it over with very quickly. So I started off with freshly washed hair. I just blow dried it out so that it would be nice and full and not too curly, so I could get to part it easier and that sort of stuff. It helped with combing it out as well. The parting process, this I found how to part on, like I looked it up on YouTube and I just followed the parting process. So again, I will not show this entire thing. This was like the hardest part of this whole hairstyle, the parting and the braiding of my individual hair. That was the hardest and longest process. Now listen to me. I am so very sorry about the angles that you all saw while I was braiding. It wasn't easy trying to maneuver, seeing what I was doing behind as well as in front with the mirrors and the cameras and everything like that. It was a little bit of a challenge anyway. So I had to go in as close as possible to the edge with the crochet needle, and to make sure it wasn't going to be very tight or heavy on my hair, I didn't take too much, right? So because I'm using my hair as an anchor, my original braid, I have to take a thicker piece of braiding hair, and the third part will be a smaller amount. So the smaller amount is what I used to anchor my hair, and then the two bigger ends stood alone. So that is what the process was going through. Hopefully in some part of the video you can see what I'm doing. I'm very happy with how it turned out. I like the length. I would not have minded it being just a tad bit longer, but that's okay. My scalp can't take too much tension, and I figured if it was any longer it might have been heavier and I can't deal with it. And as much as I love this hairstyle, the longest I could keep this in my hair is 2 weeks without my scalp protest. It's the best I can say. So yeah, let me come up close, right? And y'all, the best part of this is not even a whole pack. Like, this is just one pack with some leftover. So this is how much was left still. I used just this length. That's probably why it's not as long, but I could have gotten it longer. I could have, after I crocheted the hair, the root, I could have added bits of hair to give it length. I didn't want all of that, you know, so the less hair that I have to deal with, the better for me. Everything in total took about roughly 5 hours to blow dry, part, braid my own hair, and crochet in the braid. And afterwards I just put the ends in the flexi rods and dipped it in hot water and blow dried it just to ensure that the curls stayed. In total this is 31 braids, and just to zhuzh it up, I put in the little hair jewelry vibe, you know. So I really like it. I thought I wanted to do jumbo, but I remembered that my hair is very thin, and if I did jumbo I might have ended up with just 6 or 7 parts in total. Hi, mama filming. Why are you looking so messy? This is the first time I've ever braided my own hair, and going forward, when I say braided, I should say individual braids, because I have braided my hair already by myself. It was the two cornrows going back, same crochet process, because I tried, or I should say, I said let me practice the feeding in to see if I can do it. Now I did braid my hair, I did get to braid it, but if this took 5 hours, that braiding style would have taken 10, and I wasn't about that life. I really wasn't. So I was like, you know what, let me find the easiest way to do this, and I'm already versatile enough with a crochet needle, and it worked out. I am very happy with the result. Let me know what you all think. Let me know if you do braid your hair, and if you do the feeding in. Let me find out like what's the easiest way in which to do it, because I gave up after the first one. I was like, nah, I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. Y'all, do y'all like my lips? I'm just living in my glitter fantasy right now. Anyway, thank you again for watching. Welcome to the persons who have subscribed. I shall see you all in the next one. Take care now. Bye.